Welcome back to German Intermediate. In Lesson 10, we explore pronominal adverbs like darüber and damit, commonly known as da compounds. These streamline expressions by combining pronouns and prepositions. Pronominal adverbs in sight. Definition. These adverbs connect pronouns and prepositions. Examples: spricht kaum darüber. He hardly talks about it. Freust du dich darauf? Are you looking forward to it? Erinnerst du dich an unsere Kindheit? Do you remember our childhood? Navigating da compounds. Use with pronouns. Replaces accusative or dative pronouns and prepositions. Maria interessiert sich für ein Smartphone. Maria is interested in a smartphone. Ich denk I am immer an mein Schulzeit. I always think about my school days. Exception with people and most animals, generally avoided when referring to people or most animals. Wir träumen von einer Weltreise. We dream of a world tour. Use in relative clauses, noticed in relative clauses with prepositions. Das ist das Auto. Mit dem ich zur Arbeit fahre. This is the car I drive to work. Incorporating da compounds can be used in various structures, like subclauses. Gestern ist auf der Schillerstraße ein Fall passiert. Aber ich habe darüber nicht gelesen. Yesterday, an accident happened on Schiller Street, but I didn't read about it. Conclusion: mastering da compounds enhances German proficiency. Practice using them with pronouns and in various sentence structures for natural and precise expressions. Stay tuned for more language insights at the Linguist's Corner. Happy learning!